Hello students, this question is from test series 1, subject analog from the chapter Diode Circuit Analysis and Application. This question is of linked data question. Let us see the question. Consider the op-amp circuit. This is the op-amp circuit. We need to find out the transfer function, that is V0 of S divided by Vi of S. This is the given circuit. The negative terminal of this op-amp, it is connected with one resistance R1 and it is serially with one more resistance, and the positive terminal of this op-amp, it is connected with one resistance R and another with capacitance, and another terminal of capacitance is grounded. Both the resistance, that is R1 and Ri, are connected with a voltage source of Vi. From the op-amp circuit, given op-amp circuit, applying a nodal at the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal. Then V plus minus Vi divided by R plus V plus minus 0 by 1 by SC, it will be equal to 0. So this is we are consider for the positive terminal, that is V plus is equal to V plus is equal to Vi divided by 1 plus SCR. This we'll call it as equation 1. Similarly, at the negative terminal, we are applying the nodal analysis. So, V minus for this negative terminal and minus of Vi divided by R1 plus V minus minus of 0 by R1 equal to 0. So, V minus is equal to Vi plus V0 divided by 2. This we'll call it as equation 2. Since it is an ideal op-amp, so V plus is equal to V minus. This we'll call it as equation 3. Using the equation 1, 2, 3, so the transfer function of, that is V0 divided by Vi is equal to 1 minus SCR divided by 1 plus SCR. So option A is the correct one. From this question, we learned how to apply the nodal for at the positive terminal and the negative terminal. We find out the transfer function, that is V0 divided by Vi for the given op-amp circuit. Thank you.